Guys, you're cutting my hair, guys. You're cutting.
Oh, why you cutting my hair? Nagtalikon ko guys.
Because I want to
Gigunting
cut
niya
my
akong buhok.
worms, Uma.
What worm?
I'm buying you worms. Cutting.
No cutting. Why you cutting my hair?
Because I want.
Pahak siguro nilikodan ni Kiss ba ako panipatan ni Mr. O. Kay yan gigunting. Katalikod ko kay nag-post ligog video. Ay, suswa na napahak na kong buhok. Taana oh. Ha? Why you cutting my hair?
Because I want cutting the hair.
Why you want cutting?
Because I want cutting the hair always.
Why you want cutting always?
Because I want.
Why you want cutting, Oma? You want same your hair?
No.
Why you cutting my hair?
Because I want cutting the hair.
No, cutting my hair.
I always want cutting the hair.
Mas you always cutting. Oo. Takait kinigunting nga guys. Kuha din niya dito. Yan. Talikod ko. Gigunting din akong buhok. Pinakalit. Huh? Oh, sleeping ta. Why you cutting my hair?
I'm cutting your hair always.
Why you cutting always? Wala ginapagupit si Uma dari sa salon kay pangit daw. Balik na lang sa Pilipinas pagupit. Ha? Taas na kong buhok guys oh. Wala ko pagupit dari kay pangit o magupit dari oh. Nay nagkuan, puro niya naghilak-hilak siya taman kay pangit kay ang buhok pagagupit. Yan na po ibang Pilipina ingon kay pangit o magupit. Si Liam lang nagupit. Why you cutting my hair? Explain.
Because I want cutting your hair.
Why you want cutting my hair?
Because I want hairstyle.
Huh? Hairstyle? Why you want a hairstyle? I don't want a hairstyle. You want a hairstyle? Huh? Pag isi-shoot mong bag give sa church. Pastor, pasa pala ba? I-shoot mong i-bring mong bag give sa church.
I want to know why.
You show your hi guys, I have bag.
Hi guys, I have bag.
You showing. I mean not give you cell phone, you're not showing your bag.
This move this.
I know not moving.
This with that.
Pastor. Get your bag.
Oh thanks.
You wearing your bag? I have.
Have bag with this wearing this bag.
Oh, you stand up.
Have flowers.
Stand up.
Hey, stop it.
Stand up.
Hey.
Hi guys, I have bag.
Hi,
Same sa mga
bag.
shoes guys. So. Napa rin pangalan? William.
Yeah.
Bag si William. From church niya. Magbubak na dito. Bubak na yung bag.